What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2018 Mercedes GLE 350. We bought this car from a salvage auction with the left side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. I was buying the car, receiving the car, and this car came with completely stripped interior. So I got super lucky and we got all the parts there. They just threw everything in the car, but on the pictures we couldn't tell if the parts were there. So in part 1, ordered a couple new doors and a used quarter. So I already installed the doors. In part 2, we're gonna start putting the car in the frame machine and start working on the quarter panel, pretty much get this car ready for primer and paint. So stay tuned. If you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because you don't want to miss any new videos. We got new videos every week, new video. And don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. So I got the Mercedes on the frame machine, so now we could start working. Let's go check it out. Work on this quarter panel, and I'm not gonna replace the whole thing. I'm just gonna do a section right here, and I already got my new dog leg. So yeah, I'm gonna cut that one out. Well, first of all, I'm gonna pull this one out as much as I can. And then I'll cut it out and I'll replace it. So should be fairly quick. And I know some of you guys gonna be like, yo Vlad, why aren't you changing the whole quarter panel? Well, my friends, sometimes it's not necessary to change the whole entire quarter panel, mess with the original quarter panel, because the rest is perfect. So instead of me cutting here and putting Bondo, I'd rather just cut it here and put a little section of Bondo. And then I'll probably most likely cut it right here as well. So just a little section, whatever is damaged, I'll just replace it real quick. I'm gonna remove the wheel right now and I'll put this jack stand. So this way I have room to bang this out. And that's it, we'll start cutting it out. Just removed the wheel and also I secured the car with the chain, so when I'm gonna be pulling, the car's not gonna be moving. But this is super light, so that's why I didn't put any clamps. I just ran a chain across, so this way the car is not gonna be sliding. And I'll use something like this right now, hook it up right here, and I'll start pulling. And we'll go from there, see how it goes. So I just banged it out as much as I can. But up here so far so good, and then once the quarter is removed, I'll straighten this out as well. Yeah, something like this, slowly coming together. Just remove the doors so I have all the room to start cutting the quarter panel section off. So I just marked my quarter, so now we're ready to start cutting it out. I made a mark right here, then I'm gonna cut it right here. So just replace this section and we're ready to go. Let the fun begin. Progress report, just removed the quarter panel, the dog leg, looking good. So we're ready to put the new one in. But first I gotta do a little repair on the inner wheel well. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Nothing damaged here, just this wheel well got a little damage. So it's perfect that I removed it. This way I could bang all this out and apply a little bit of primer and we're good to go. And we're ready to install the new quarter / dog leg. Little progress report. The quarter panel dog leg is in and looking good. Let's check it out. Beauty. So yeah, next what I'm gonna do, out of this leftover, I'm gonna cut like an inch and I'm gonna put them in between, so when I weld it will be in the middle, so I could weld it together and it will be a solid piece. And same over here, I'm gonna put this piece in there. It's gonna be right in the middle, so when we weld, it will be a solid piece. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I just cut my patches for the quarter. Let me show you guys. So yeah, here's the little patches that I was talking about, and they go right in the middle. So when you weld the new quarter, you could weld it together and it will be really strong. And same with this piece, it goes right in the middle. That is it, my friends. I finished prepping the quarter panel, so now we could install it. Let me show you. So up here I put my metal braces from behind, so this way we could weld one up here and one up here. And I put special welding primer as well, so nothing gets rusted up here. And same over here, I put primer, white primer, so everything looking good, like nothing happened. Now I could remove the car off the frame machine and start welding the new quarter. So super excited. Let's get this car off the frame machine and start welding the new quarter. Is it, my friends? So it's gonna look like something like this. If this was your car and you're working on it, would you change the whole entire quarter panel or just change this section? Comment below, I would love to hear your opinion. So once I remove the car off the frame machine, I'm gonna install the door, check the gaps, make sure everything is good, gaps are perfect. I could start welding the dogleg quarter panel. So let's get the car off the frame machine and we'll go from there. I just got the Mercedes off the frame machine, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install the door and I want to check, make sure all the gaps are perfect. If everything lines up, we'll start welding the quarter. My friends, just installed the door, gaps are looking good, so now we could officially secure the quarter panel. Let's take a look. Everything lining up pretty good. Perfect, same over here. Everything in working condition. And what I did, I put a couple of screws just to secure it so it doesn't move around. So right now, I'm gonna remove this quarter or dog leg, and I'm gonna put glue right here, and then I'll secure it again and we'll start welding it. But yeah, something like this. Slowly coming together. And this way I could just paint the quarter panel, 2 doors, and maybe the fender. I don't think I have to paint the fender. It's a white color, so basic. But yeah, so far so good. I like it. I like it a lot. So I just put some glue between the 2 panels, so now we could just installed the quarter back. I put some glue and then I use some screws so this way it's not moving, and then I put the latch back on. So everything is good. We could start welding the quarter panel. Gaps are perfect. Boom, love it. That is it, my friends. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 3. In part 3, we're gonna start welding the quarter panel, start doing body filler, and start painting the car. So I'll show you guys the whole painting process as well. Stay tuned. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because we post new videos every week, new video. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 3. До свидания!